Education at school play a huge role in this eliminating ignorance, because this stupidity comes from ignorance and the narrowness of their insight. Of course, if you don't want to become a nation left behind, the younger generation must face again in the ignorance that is this really enemy. By receiving education at school, children who instinctively not knowing become knowing, insight become broad, and the knowledge gains to increase. This is finally possible helps create a superior generation. The nation successors who are expert in various field. Education can be a forum for everyone to deepen their understanding. A fact of saying, if there are no proper educational facilities, what knowledge do you have? Being someone it could only be limited to that without being able to be applied at everyday life. It's different if someone has the opportunity to deepen the knowledge he lacks.
Developed countries have proven that education has a huge contribution and influence in improving the quality of their nation. Education is a source of progress for a nation because with good education, the quality of a nation's human resource, basic of education, it can be improved. Human resources are the main asset in building a nation, including the Indonesian nation. The country of Indonesia, which is so vast and so many Islam, must be balanced with good education for every citizen, with abundant natural wealth and managed intelligently by society and the states to make our nation a great nation.
Education essentially includes educational, teaching, and training activities. We carry out these activities as an effort to transform values. So, in its implementation, the three activities must run simultaneously, integrated and sustainable, and in harmony with the development of students and their environment. There are several conditions that must be met so that the transformation process can run smoothly, including first, there is a good educational relationship between educator and student. Second, the existence of appropriate educational method. The third, the existence of educational facilities and equipment. The fourth, there is a sportive atmosphere.
The true nature of a man, the essential nature of a human being is that apart from being a creature, individuals as well as social beings. Woman as individual creature is a unity between physical and spiritual aspect, which cannot be separated. Women are creatures who will always interact with each other. The nature of human nature is the ability to be self-aware, ability to exist, ownership of conviction, moral, responsibility, test the freedom, obligation, and right, the ability to experience happiness, language ability. Although first, the essential nature of human being is that apart from being individual creature, as always, being a social culture. And second, humans as individual creature and are a unity between aspect physical and spiritual which cannot be separated. And third, humans are creature will always interact with each other. And the last, human cannot achieve what the one with themselves itself.
Dimensions of human nature. Viewed from another perspective, humans apparently have dimensions that include individual, social, moral, and religious dimensions. In a learning process, both the form of human nature and the human dimensions posed by each student need to be developed The goal, of course, is for them to know more about their existence on the surface of this earth, and so that they know better that they are creatures created by Allah who are essentially different from other creatures, so that complete Indonesian humans will be born as desired by society, nation, and religion. 1. Individual dimension. Humans as a whole, physically and psychologically. 2. Social dimensions. Humans as social creatures cannot live without the help of others. 3. Moral dimensions. Creatures who have adequate life values, appreciate and embody them in their actions. 4. Religious dimensions. Creatures religious, weak and in need of guidance in life, spiritual and nature.
Development of the human dimension. The development of the whole human dimension is defined as intricate development of the dimension of human nature so that they can grow and develop harmoniously and develop in harmony. Impact development when viewed from the following point are 1. Aspect, physical and spiritual. 2. Dimension, individuality, sociality, morality, and religion. 3. Domain, cognitive, psychomotor, skill, attitude. Development is not complete when viewed from the following point if any of the aspect, dimension, and domain in the development process are neglected to be addressed. For explain, the social dimension is dominated by the development of the individuality dimension. The aspect domain is dominated by cognitive development. This results in the formation of a lame and unstable personality.
The complete Indonesian human figure. The complete Indonesian human being is a combination of the physical and spiritual aspect of every human being who has faith and devotion to God Almighty. Is intelligent, active, responsible, educated, and has a feeling of respect for the homeland guide by the values of Pancasila and the 45 Constitution. Complete Indonesia is the sense of Indonesian national development. Developing the complete Indonesian human being is the starting point as well as the ending point of every effort and work things being undertaken and carried out.
Understanding education according to Ki Hajar Dewantara. Education is a diamond within children's growing life. The point is that education guides everything the natural strengths exists in students as humans and members society can achieve the highest safety and happiness in life. 1. According to law number 20 of 2003, education is a conscious effort and planned to create a learning atmosphere and learning process so that students actively develop their potential to have religious, spiritual strengths, self-control, personality, intelligence, noble moral, as well as skill needed by himself, society, and the nation and country.
According to Fuad Ihsan, he explains that in a simple and general sense, the meaning of education is a human effort to grow and develop potential traits, both physical and spiritual, in accordance with the values that exist in society and culture. Besides that John Dewey explains that education is the process of forming fundamental intellectual and emotional skill towards nature and fellow humans. Cicerus explains that education is giving us supplies that we don't have in but, but that we need in adulthood.
Education is a deliberate, conscious, and planned effort to help increase the development of potential and abilities beneficial for the interest of his life as an individual and as a citizen state or society by selecting the content or material, activity strategies, and techniques appropriate assessment involving related parties and use various supporting facilities. 3.2 Educational process. The educational process itself doesn't only occur within the school environment. However, this educational process can occur anywhere. One which is in the environment family, including the surrounding environment where we interact with others.
Educational function. The function of education is to develop abilities, then forming the character or personality of students so that they grow, become a more defined person, as said by whether educational institution still exists in relation to real or manifest function as follow. Number 1. As an installation of expertise or skill needed in participate in democracy. Number 2. As an effort to develop the talents of each student to achieve personal satisfaction as well as the interests of society. Number 3. Efforts to prepare certain community group to search living. Number 4. As an effort to preserve culture.
The term system comes from the Greek systema, which means a set of parts or components that are interconnected in an organized manner and a constituted whole. System is a term that has a very broad can be used destination attached to something. For number 1, definition of system, the Big Indonesian Dictionary or KBBI, the system is a set of elements that are regularly interrelated for a totality. Regularly interrelated, so as the form of totality, the system is also defined as an ordinary argument of view, theories, principles, and so on. KBBI also defines the notion of system as a method. Cambridge Dictionary system is a way to do something. It is defined as a set of connected objects or devices that operate together. Alpha and A, while a system is a collection of objects that includes relationship between these projects as well as the relationship between the properties they have.